What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're getting the car back to where we had. It's time to put green Monster back on it. It's time to get the lettering done. It's time to make multiple stops at mom's houses on the car, and I might even put this on the back window. This is some of the new merch. You guys will get to see that over at tk'sgarage.com. Y'all can go tap in on that. And what I love about these hats is you can actually switch these patches out, and you can go from that to just a tip. But today I think we're going to go with I pull out. Anyways, let's go see what Lettering Express here in Oklahoma City is going to do and see if they can get this car done properly. All right, guys, so after going in here to Lettering Express, which these are my kind of people, all right? Let me show you why. Look what it says on that van. Yo, Cialis for your brand. Oh, I'm done. My kind of people, man. My kind of people. That's all I can say. So I placed the order. The graphics for the green Monster are now in. They'll let me know, I guess it looks like Monday the car will go in to get its relevant graphics. And it's not in areas that have to be repaired or fixed, so you don't have to worry about that. But yeah, we're coming back, and I told you we were coming back hard. And when I mean coming back hard, like, they just was like, yeah, we can do that. We're gonna have these on the car, yo, this on the car. Look, man, we're going in. You know, if you thought the green Monster 1.0 was a massive troll, the green Monster 2.0 is like this. And like this with your moms. Like it's not even close. It's about to be bad. So all I can tell you is Action Jackson is coming soon. It's over with. It is over with. I'm excited and I'm happy because now I got my parts ordered for my interior. We're about to head on over right now over to the Auto Spa LLC, and they're going to let me know like what they need to take care of, whether or not that's actually overspray on my hood and other areas, and whether or not they can tighten these areas up, or whether I really need to get the car repainted, or if it's something that, you know, a good paint correction, clay, and all that stuff can fix. So we're going to find that out here in just a few minutes. So we're going to take it over there and let the good people over at the Auto Spa LLC tell me what they think. But man, that was quick. Shout out to the Lettering Express, man. I've been getting this stuff in, and they're right here in Oklahoma City. They're going to be doing all of the wrap and material on this car now. Yo, it is the front bumper's about to say masshole. When I tell you, man, not asshole, masshole. All right, green Monster on the top, you know I got to have that on the window. Masshole on the bumper, but it's going to be backwards. So like when somebody's looking in the mirror. Look, y'all knew I was coming back hard, right? Y'all knew I was coming back to troll, right? Oh yeah. You know it's going to have, you know, well, I don't want to give away everything. I got to leave some surprises for the debut video, so just wait for that. It's not going to be 01 on my door. It's not. There's an emoji going on the car. I'll let you guess. Let me know in the comments what emoji, huge, big emoji is going on the car. Let me know. Let me know what you got. I fucking can't. I'm done. Just thinking about this car going down the road with this fucking emoji. All right. I can't. I'm trying to keep a straight face, but I already know when I see this. And you know when I'm going down the road, people are going to be like, does he have a... What the... All right. With that said, I want to thank y'all for going in. Let's go ahead and pop over to the Auto Spa LLC and see what they are talking about and whether or not they can tighten up my car. And yeah, we'll go from there. Let's go.
It's really not terrible when you have the top down. Like, it's really not bad.
I couldn't fit in this car. I know that.
The movement, his knees are all up in his chest.
I got into a midget. What was it? A MG midget out at Copart, and that shit.
Oh yeah, I tried to get him. It's like shoehorning.
No, yeah, it's not happening. This thing is crazy, guys. Look at this little thing, man. Right-hand side drive. Wow. That's crazy.
You feel like you're on the wrong side of the car.
Right.
It feels like it's just not in the right area.
Yeah. Wow. That's got to be the smallest manual shifter I think I've ever seen. All right, guys. So I know you probably thought the video was done, but we're not. Somebody had hit me up and was like, why don't you take it to the Auto Spa? Bring it over to the Auto Spa LLC and see if they're able to look at this and see if they could tighten it up, right? And I was like, all right, cool. So I come over here to the Auto Spa, and major shout out to them. They're right here in Oklahoma City. Highly recommend them, and if you've seen them before, it's probably because you've seen them over on Auto Auction Rebuilds channel. God, that M3, that E46 is nasty, man. But so is the older joint. I mean, I like the old 80s 3 Series, but look at that, dude. With that Honda. But anywho's, the Monster will be going in here in about a week. They're going to have it for a couple of days, and they're going to take care of, or they're going to attempt to take care of everything that's wrong with my paint, as far as the squirrels, the scratches, and they may even, he said, he might be able to get those white spots and stuff out of the car. So here's hoping that that's actually the case. So maybe all hope is not lost. You know, there are bad spots in my paint, which he was able actually to see, to be like, you know, some of this stuff may not come out and may need to still be repaired, but like some of the scratches and the spotting, he thinks with compounding and other stuff might be able to be taken out of the car. So here's hoping that that is the case. We'll see what happens. So major shout out to the Auto Spa LLC here in Oklahoma City for looking out. So we'll see what happens after she gets in. Like I said, the receipts and stuff are ready. They have been submitted in. As soon as I get paid from usaa for those, we'll go get the parts. We'll get the interior done. And then maybe the Auto Spa can refinish my exterior and get it right. Everybody said the same thing. There's overspray all over my hood and other areas, like the areas that shouldn't have been painted. So whatever. Well, now we can get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See y'all on the next one.